The 2023 MetroWest Adolescent Health Survey demonstrates that Medway's incredible efforts in the areas of mental health and wellness are paying dividends for our young people and our community. The data also show that Medway's results are outpacing our region. For our high schoolers, alcohol, marijuana, and vaping use have dropped significantly. The drop began between surveys during the pandemic, but also coincides with the formation of SUP Medway, the Substance Use Prevention Program. This 2023 snapshot compares Medway to the MetroWest region, where our high school students show lower lifetime substance use rates in every category than their peers in the region. The same outcomes can be seen in our high schoolers' mental health responses. On each vector, from life very stressful to suicide attempts, pandemic-level peaks in every category have not just come back down to pre-pandemic levels. In nearly every category, levels are below their pre-pandemic levels. And again, our high schoolers' mental health is outpacing their peers in the region, where in every one of these mental health data points, our students are reporting at lower levels than their peers.
I think I see kids are much more open about talking about mental health or open to accessing mental health. When I meet with students and I ask them if they've ever met with a counselor, more often than not I'm hearing yeses to that answer, which is wonderful, or I'm hearing their willingness to try.
I think there's more awareness for all of us, and there's more support from families and students themselves around being able to talk about mental health and how they're feeling and how different challenges have affected them.
The kids, they know their go-to people, absolutely, and these are topics that are talked about a lot. Like I said, we have the See Something, Say Something presentation. Myself and one of the other adjustment counselors, we do a signs of suicide presentation and screening.
I have watched kids, after school, if I'm running up to Starbucks to grab a coffee, and I happen to see our wraparound service provider getting coffee too at Starbucks or Dunkin', I will hear kids reach out to her and talk to her and connect to her and say, "Hey, are you coming to my house?"
And I feel like a lot of the support here has helped me grow so much, and it's done that for so many other students too, which I think is incredible.
All the way even before I knew I needed them, they had me before they knew who I was. And even from now, I think that they will have me even when I go to high school, and it'll be amazing because I can always just go back to them.
So knowing that I can have the support, I can go to a judgment-free zone and just let it happen it's important to me.
I just feel good about someone being comfortable. I can make someone feel comfortable and they can come to me and talk to me about something that's happening without feeling embarrassed or just feeling like they need to hide from anyone.